This is the outside view of North Blackpool train station. That's the tram. The terminal or the end is there. The starting point is there. Just beside the Blackpool train station. And a lot of bus over here. And a big Sainsbury, the Holiday Inn Hotel. And that one, big Sainsbury. Sainsbury. And Talbot cars. And that's the, just go straight over there is the North Pier Station, the beach. From inside the train station North Blackpool is only 5 minutes from here to the beach.